If you're having problem when you're trying to import a video in Premiere Pro, the simple thing you can do is change the location. So one of my videos location is over here, which I'm trying to import. What I can do is just drag it and drop it to anywhere else instead of this place and try to import the video again. Your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, the video format might be something Premiere Pro does not support. So if it is like a kind of format which Premiere Pro doesn't support, you need to convert that video. I will suggest you to convert that video into .mp4, and you can use any free converter. You can search it online. There are tons of videos on YouTube to help you convert your video into mp4. Just right click on the video and click on the option called properties over here. So right now my video is on mp4, but if your video is not mp4, it's going to show up over here. So just know which format your video is on and then search on the internet how to convert dot to mp4, and it's going to show you ways. Convert your video to mp4 and try to import it in Premiere Pro. Your problem should be fixed. And even if your video is on mp4, sometimes it causes fps lag issue. So even if your video is an mp4, try to reconvert it again into another mp4. Okay, sometimes simply doing that fixes your problem. I don't know why, but it does. So try that as well. These are the ways on how we can fix this issue. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.